Hi, I'm doing Paul McWhorter's Pico W lessons, and we're currently up to lesson number 21, and I decided to do something other than the weather because I'm rather tired of talking about the weather. So I thought I would do something with cats. So it was being able to display on a web page pictures of various cat breeds using an API. So I've got the names of the cat breeds in a JSON file, and I'm just connecting, open a socket for port number 80 for the web page. Then I've just got my HTML template, and then I'm putting in the cat names into the options in there in line 62. That's where all the options go in, and then I've got the URL of the picture of the cat and the name of the breed, and then I'm just using that. Then the rest of the program is, well, if I go down to the actual program, it just connects, opens the sockets and serves the connection, and the main guts happens in the serve connection. You just open the connection, but this is where it all goes horribly wrong. I was hoping in HTML that when you first open the page it wouldn't do anything, but I've had to put that in there because it was returning values, and I thought, why are you doing that? There must be a way of getting around it. And equally, when I'm choosing the breed, it actually returns the top line if I haven't clicked on a breed. So that bit there is a bit of a fudge for the first time, and that bit there is a bit of a fudge because it's choosing the top line. I had expected that I could do the whole thing just in that you get the breed and you look it up on the API, and then you get the image and you display it. Anyway, we will try running this and see what happens. Right, it says it's connected, so if I go onto the web page, 192.168.1.29, right, just says, whoops, cat breed selector, choose breed, get picture. Easy peasy. So we will choose a breed. What should we go for? Turkish Angora, get picture. And there's a picture of Turkish Angora. And if we look back in Thonny, no error messages. That's always quite good. Now if I just click on there without going down there, it just displays a cartoon. And I was trying in HTML to, if I have clicked on Burmese, for example, and then I get the picture, I wanted it to then stay on Burmese rather than going back to select a breed, but I couldn't do that. But that is an HTML problem because I'm bad at it rather than Python. Oh, it's quite nice. We'll have a look at a few more just to make Paul happy. Oh, he does look like he's had a perm. Right, and my favourite, of course, is a spotty Bengal. There's my program. Nothing more to be said, just have a look to see whether it's come up with any errors. No errors, everything's good. Now I will get out of this, but it will probably go into Microsoft Edge because it normally does.